Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Vitamix Propel 510 blender, a powerhouse that's been making waves in kitchens everywhere. If you're on the hunt for a blender that can handle smoothies, soups, and even frozen desserts with ease, stick around. This one might just be your new best friend. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what makes the Vitamix Propel 510 special. This professional-grade blender comes with a 48-ounce container, perfect for small to mid-size blends, whether you're whipping up a single smoothie or a batch for the family. It's got a powerful 2-horsepower motor that crushes tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and even nuts for silky smooth results. The blender features 3 preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts, so you can just press a button and walk away while it does the work. Plus, it has 10 variable speeds and a pulse feature for precise control, letting you go from chunky salsas to creamy purees. And here's a neat bonus, it's self-cleaning. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and it cleans itself in under a minute. Oh, and it's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe too. Now let's get into the pros. The Propel 510 is a beast at blending. Think smooth hummus, creamy soups, and perfect ice cream without the grainy texture you'd get from lesser blenders. Those preset programs are a game changer for busy folks who want consistent results without babysitting the machine. It's built to last with a 5-year warranty and laser-cut blades that don't dull over time. Customers love how versatile it is, from making nut butter to hot soups right in the pitcher, no stove needed. Vitamix blenders are even trusted by places like Dairy Queen, so you know the quality is top-notch. But no product's perfect, right? Here are a couple of cons. It's a bit loud, especially at higher speeds, though that's typical for powerful blenders. Some users mentioned that the 48-ounce container can be tricky for very small batches, as ingredients might get stuck above the blades, so you'll need to use the tamper tool. Also, it's a premium blender, so it's pricier than your average model. If you're just making basic smoothies, you might not need all this power. So, who's this blender for? I'd recommend the Vitamix Propel 510 if you love cooking, want restaurant-quality blends at home, or need a reliable machine for daily use. It's ideal for anyone who values convenience and durability over a lower price tag. If you're just an occasional blender user, you might want something simpler, but for serious home chefs, this is a fantastic investment. All right, folks, if you're ready to level up your blending game, check out the Vitamix Propel 510 using the link in the description below. You'll find the best pricing and any special promotions we've tracked down for you at Rick's Review Hub. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews on the latest gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.